Alpha now my people, my name now Okemute. If now your first time where you see me, so I'm happy to see you too. Today video not another on another level. I know I know I speak Pidgin well, but I don't know. I challenge myself today. Say today video we will spice am with Pidgin English. So I don't know how today video will debut because my Pidgin it gets as it be. So if you dey interested for this makeup where I get for my face, I go to explain am for Pidgin English step by step as I take do am. The first thing I go do now to apply my primer, and I go use this my favorite NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. I dey always use this primer all the time. If you dey watch my video, if you don't see say every time I dey always reach for this primer. So I go just prime the places where they come out for my face the most, because as I did so I be oil factory. So I go just apply the primer for the places where oil they too come out for my face. Now we are done apply the primer finish, I go in with my highlighter from Melanie, and this one day for the shade Deep Gold. My Pidgin English today, oh boy. Hey, Okemute. I dey feel say I be champion for Pidgin English, but today to speak the thing straight without putting any English, man, I know say I dey learn. You know, say I dey apply my makeup now. I can't remember say I no put sunscreen for my face. I know say I know they come out today, but still I just remember now to go wash this face, go start again now. It be like war for my eye. I know if you do am. But please wear your sunscreen, ladies. Always make sure say you wear sunscreen. It is very important. I know say me I know they care about sunscreen before, but these days my face they do nonsense. So I don't take skincare serious. All these breakouts, all these spots. You need your sunscreen. Always make sure say you protect your skin, even when it is rain, even when it is sun. Make sure say you dey wear wetting, you dey wear sunscreen. So now where I apply my highlighter finish, I will come use my foundation to cover all the spots. You need foundation to cover all those spots, all those yama within your face, just like all these blemishes, all this everything within my face. So this one will just cement everything, make sure say everything pure and everything fresh and everything nice. So the foundation we are going to use today now, this one from Maybelline, and it's in the shade 370. All these pimples within my face, we thank God say finally they don't declare. God pass all of them. Now the spots can't remain now. Maybe clear, but hopefully with time everything go come out. We can't go in now with our beauty sponge to blend everything to make sure say everything sink well into the skin. See everything melts well into the skin. The next step now to highlight, which you go use this elegant concealer in the shade Chestnut. So this one now will cover all the whole dark circles, all the whole everything we did where we no one see, and this one will make under our eye bright too. I dey like to carry mirror for my hand to do my makeup, but today I dey try new thing. I dey use mirror on top my table to do my makeup, because normally I dey like to carry the mirror for my hand, but I just want to see if I go fit do makeup with a mirror with the table, because usually na struggle for me if I no hold the mirror for my hand. I know they see road well. So now, just because say me I like to do extra and I like make my under eye bright well, I will go in again with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I go use this one just under my eyes alone. Just small like that. So now I don't blend everything well, I go in with my Sacha buttercup setting powder. I go use this one to take set all the places where I applied the concealer. And as I dey touch the powder, I dey dust off the excess for my hand, so e no go too much. As I will touch the powder with the beauty sponge, I go put small of the powder for my hand, just touch am like so, so make the powder no too much. Now why I dey do that. So now where I don't set all the parts where I highlight finish, I will come go in with my bronzer from CoverGirl. I'll come use this one, take sculpt the face, take add more, you know, extra things to the face. Let's say face to the face. So now we don't finish with everything for skin work for now. We go still continue the skin work later, but for now we don't finish with that one. So I will go do my brows off camera now, and when I finish with my brows, I'll come back, come do the eyeshadow, come finish the makeup. I don't finish with my brows, and the next thing I want to do now to do my eyeshadow. And to do that, I go apply concealer, the same concealer where I use for under my eyes. I go just apply them as a base for my eyeshadow. So straight to the eyeshadow palette where I go use today now from Juvia's place, and this now waiting the palette be like. This shade right here, they enter my eye, and at the same time I did look this shade too, so I don't know which one I want to use. But first I go in with this purple one and just apply this one all over my crease. I go apply small powder under my eye in case of fallouts, so I go feed dust down. So I go pack all the color where I want first before I blend them. If you want to make your eyeshadow appear pigmented, well, when I say pigmented, I mean if you want to make your eyeshadow appear, make it show well. You want first of all, hey, be like I don't touch the wrong color. You want first of all tap the eyeshadow in before you blend them out. So you go tap them in like this first before you start to blend the eyeshadow out. I'm moving her in well so now go fit see wetin I dey do. Go just pack the eyeshadow in first before you start to dey blend them out. You go dey apply the eyeshadow like this first. And when you pack your eyeshadow, when you touch the palette, take them the eyeshadow where you want. You go dust them first, or so you no go get too many fallout if you do like that. Because if you just apply them the same way where you pack them, you fit get fallout for your eyes. So once you touch the eyeshadow palette, you go dust them like this before you come to the eyes. Now where I don't do okay without the purple look, I'll come go in with this one right here, this shade right here. I'll come use this one, take blend the edges of the purple out slightly. So now gradual process you could take do am. So now where everything doesn't blend as I want make it blend, I'll come go in with this one right here. And I will mix them with small of this one just to blend the edges of where the pink too dey. The next thing now to apply colors for my lid, and the two colors where I want use now from the same palette. Now these two colors where I've been telling I say I've been the eye before, so I go use this one and this one. So now I go come use the second color for this part. This color too fine well. Now I don't do everything as I want to make it be. It did in my mind to use gold liner. I hope I no go mess this thing up. But anyways, I did use this liner. You don't tell me I don't get this liner now from Absolute New York. So I go use this one to line the eye. I don't know why this thing they come my mind, but maybe see as it go turn out. No ask me wetin I dey do, cause even myself I no know. So color just dey sweet me for belle today. I don't know why. So I go use this pink liner from Zara Cosmetics take line my waterline. Now I can't use the same purple where I use take smudge under my eye as well. Now we don't finish with the eye. I don't wear my lashes, I don't do my mascara, so now na to dust off the excess powder under my eye. So the next thing that I apply my powder, I can use this powder from Loreal, and this one now for the shade Cocoa. The next thing now to apply my highlighter, and the highlighter where I use today now from Maybelline and is in the shade Molten Gold. These days I not too like to apply too much highlighter like before where I like highlighter, but now blush the rain for me. No more blinding glow. It just dey like saying all day. But I go still blind my enemies sha, because I still dey glow, but I like to glue from within. Now why I use that highlighter before. I know today like this powder one anymore. Today makeup fine. See as person became fine. I find not be small today. Even me I dey feel this eyeshadow. I don't know where this inspiration from come, but maybe they come like this throughout this week. The next thing now to apply blush, and I go use this blush from Carity Beauty, and this one day for the shade Boomberry. I dey like blush where. God bless blush. God bless the person who creates blush. They do me to put lip gloss for these lips, but I never know, because every time I do glossy lips, and I don't know, I think I like them like this today, but I never know. May I go do my hair first. If I come back, I'll decide if I'll put gloss or no put gloss. So my people, now the finished look be this, and I tell myself before I start this makeup, say I no go do any gloss today for my lips, but as usual, me and glossy lips, like I say them burn us together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop nice comments, make I know if you like this kind of video I do today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Help your girl grow, help us build this channel. So I go see you now for my next one. Bye.